Elite Low Protro MOONWALKER returns on September 10, 2025, for $210, spotlighting Kobe's Visionaries theme. Originally the first Elite Low of its kind, it pairs a purple and black Flyknit upper with storytelling inspired by the king of pop. The astral outsole graphic, updated to an icier blue, pays tribute to that influence. Though new versions like the Team Bank series breathe life into the Kobe 9 line, fans often flock to these narrative-driven retros. The Protro upgrade adds a drop-in React midsole for enhanced comfort and court performance. It's this balance of innovation and legacy that keeps models like the Moonwalker in focus. With the anticipated Beethoven colorway also returning soon, Nike cements Kobe's cultural and design impact. Whether for hoopers or collectors, this Protro drop blends performance precision and iconic storytelling into one stellar sneaker.